Did you know that email marketing has an average return on investment of a whopping 4,200%? For every dollar you spend on email marketing, you could see a return of $42. This kind of return on investment is unmatched by any other marketing channel, making email marketing not just important, but essential for your e-commerce success. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about setting up and optimizing email marketing for your Shopify store. This guide is packed with actionable insights that will help you boost your sales and grow your business. So if you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, stick around because we're about to dive deep into the world of email marketing. Let's get into choosing the right email marketing app. With so many options out there, it can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Let's start with the free options. If you're new to Shopify and want to keep things simple, Shopify email is an excellent place to start. It's included with your Shopify subscription, and the best part, you get to send your first 10,000 emails each month for free. After that, it's just $1 per 1,000 emails, making it incredibly cost-effective. Shopify email comes with pre-built templates tailored for various marketing campaigns, whether you're announcing a new product, running a promotion, or sending out a newsletter. Plus, you can personalize your emails to address customers by their names and even recommend products based on their past purchases. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without analytics. Shopify email lets you track open rates, click rates, and sales generated from your campaigns, so you can see exactly what's working and what's not. But what if you're looking to automate some of your marketing tasks? That's where Shopify Flow comes in. This app is also included in your Shopify subscription, and it's a powerful automation tool that works seamlessly with Shopify email. Shopify Flow helps you streamline repetitive tasks like sending out emails based on specific customer actions without lifting a finger. It's perfect for saving time and staying on top of your marketing game. Imagine this, a customer leaves something in their cart, and without you doing a thing, they receive a reminder email to complete their purchase. That's Shopify Flow working behind the scenes, helping you capture those potentially lost sales. Now, if you're ready to explore more advanced features and are willing to invest a bit in your email marketing, there are some fantastic paid apps out there, and many of them offer free plans to get you started. First up, we have Omnisend. This app is a powerhouse for e-commerce stores that need robust multi-channel marketing tools and automation, but without a steep learning curve. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that want a scalable solution to grow with their contact list and marketing needs. Omnisend makes it easy to manage your email SMMs and even push notifications all from one platform. If you're looking for an app that can do it all, Omnisend is definitely worth checking out. Next, let's talk about Yotpo email marketing and SMS. If you're already using Yotpo's ecosystem for things like loyalty programs, product reviews, or subscriptions, this app is a natural fit. It's designed for e-commerce stores that want to unify their email and SMS marketing efforts, making it a powerful tool for driving customer engagement. Yotpo is especially useful if you're focused on creating a cohesive customer experience across multiple channels. Everything is connected, making your marketing efforts more effective and streamlined. And finally, we have Klaviyo. Now, Klaviyo is a bit more advanced, making it ideal for medium to large-size businesses that need sophisticated marketing capabilities. If you're willing to invest the time in learning and setting up complex workflows, Klaviyo can offer you detailed segmentation and data-driven marketing strategies that are hard to beat. This app is all about precision. You can target specific segments of your audience with laser focus, ensuring that your messages resonate and convert. So whether you're just starting out with Shopify email or looking for a more advanced solution like Omnisend, Yotpo, or Klaviyo, there's an app that fits your needs and your budget. The key is to choose the one that aligns with your current goals and scales as your business grows. Now, I know there are a lot of options out there, and it can be tempting to try every app under the sun. But for today's video, I'll be walking you through setting up email marketing with Shopify Email and Shopify Flow. Let's talk about the essential email triggers. These triggers are the backbone of any successful email marketing strategy, ensuring that your customers receive timely and relevant messages that keep them engaged with your brand. There are 8 essential email triggers that you should definitely consider. Let's start with one of the most important triggers, the welcome email series. This email is triggered when a customer signs up for your newsletter or creates an account on your store. It's your first chance to make a great impression. So use it to welcome new subscribers, introduce them to your brand, and set expectations for what's to come. And the best part? You can easily customize the content and design of your welcome email by clicking on Edit Email. This allows you to make the email truly reflect your brand's voice and style. Now for the next few triggers, I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek. But I encourage you to dive in and customize these templates yourself to make the most of them. The first purchase email is triggered when a customer makes their first purchase. It's a great way to thank them for their business, provide order details, and suggest related products they might like. Then we have the post-purchase follow-up. A few days after the purchase, this email goes out to ask for reviews, provide care instructions, or suggest complimentary products. It's all about keeping the conversation going and building a stronger relationship with your customer. Next up is the repeat purchase encouragement trigger. However, with this trigger, you'll need to install the AfterShip email marketing app to enable it. If you'd like me to review this app, leave a comment below, and I'll consider adding it to my video list. This one is triggered when a customer makes multiple purchases. It's the perfect opportunity to reward their loyalty with exclusive offers or discounts. And of course, we can't forget about abandoned cart emails. These are triggered when a customer adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. A friendly reminder email can nudge them to come back and finish their order, especially if you sweeten the deal with a discount. Finally, we have the customer win-back trigger. This email is sent when a customer hasn't purchased in a while, say 60 days. It's your chance to re-engage them with special offers or updates on new products that might catch their eye. All of these triggers are easy to set up in Shopify email, and they cover most of the key touch points in your customer's journey. But there are also a couple of other essential triggers that you can set up directly from the Shopify admin settings. Let's move on to setting up your order and shipping confirmation emails. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify settings, click on notifications, then select customer notifications. This is where you'll manage all the different types of emails that get sent to your customers. In this section, you'll find both the order confirmation and shipping confirmation emails. If you want to customize the content of these emails, all you need to do is click on the email type you want to edit, then select Edit Code. It's time for a very important step before you go live. Sending a test email, simply click on the Send Test button, and Shopify will automatically send the email to the admin email address associated with your Shopify account. You'll find the test email there, ready for your review. This is your chance to make sure everything is perfect, from the images and links to the formatting and text. And don't forget to check the test email on different devices as well. It's always better to catch any issues early on, rather than after your customers have already received the email. So take a few extra minutes to send that test email. Your future self and your customers will thank you for it. Great job so far. Now that you've got your email campaigns ready to go, let's talk about building your email list from scratch. Let's kick things off with tip 1. Place your email subscribe box in strategic placements. Getting started is super easy with the Shopify format. And if you really want to capture attention, try using pop-ups that appear after a visitor has spent some time on your site. They're highly effective for converting casual visitors into subscribers. Now, let's move on to tip 2. Include a newsletter sign-up option at checkout. To set this up, go to your Shopify settings, then Checkout, and look for the marketing options. Here you can select email and make sure it's pre-selected. This simple step can lead to a steady stream of new subscribers who are already interested in your product. And finally, tip 3, run contests or giveaways on social media. Collaborating with influencers on platforms like Instagram can give your giveaway campaign a major boost. Influencers often use giveaways to grow their own following, so partnering with them is a win-win. Plus, it's a great way to reach a new, targeted audience. To make your giveaway even more effective, consider creating a dedicated landing page using tools like Pagefly, Shopify's landing page builder. It's user-friendly and the first slot is totally free, so it's worth checking out. Now, let me share a couple of real-world examples where these strategies really paid off. In the first case study, we offered a free ebook on how to start dropshipping. We created a simple yet compelling landing page using Pagefly and promoted the offer across our social media channels. The result: in just 4 weeks, we built a targeted email list of around 300 contacts. These were people who were genuinely interested in dropshipping and eager to learn more. Think about it. 300 potential customers who are already engaged with your content and ready to hear more from you. That's a huge win for any business. In the second case study, we ran a similar campaign, this time offering an ebook on mobile commerce. Again, we used Pagefly to create a dedicated landing page and promoted the offer through social media and influencer partnership. Over the same 4-week period, we attracted about 150 email contacts. While the number was smaller, these were highly targeted leads interested in mobile commerce, which made the quality of the list incredibly valuable. These case studies show that with the right strategy, you can build a strong, engaged email list even from scratch. And remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about the quality of those subscribers and how well they align with your business goals. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your current efforts, give these tips a try and watch your email list grow. With a little creativity and the right tools, you'll be on your way to building a loyal customer base in no time. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people just like you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.